G'day, how you going? Nick Hopkins, Soft Wash Australia. This is another Minute with Nick. Thought we'd take the opportunity to just showcase our new window section. Thanks to Tom, our new man, who's scurried through. What we've got is we've got the ultra high mod Kevlar wrapped poles. Very, very nice, 35 and 45 foot. We've got a solar brush from our friends at Reach It. Couple of Reach It brushes there. We've also got a range of equipment here in the water fed and also a little bit of traditional stuff as well. So if you're in the window cleaning caper and you'd like us to keep stuff on the shelf, please come and see us, let us know what you want. We would be interested in putting it on the shelf. Alternatively, come down, have a bit of a look at what we've got, and I'm sure that it's going to help all those guys exterior cleaning also want to add pure water cleaning to your detailing after you've done the job. This is the stuff you need. We've got the 22-inch and the 8-foot poles. We've got brushes, hoses, and we've even got a couple of little DI systems as well. That's been a Minute with Nick, or maybe a fraction longer, but we'll see you again soon. Thanks.